Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So this is the day after the strawberry jam, and I just want to show you, I told you guys that I didn't use the 4jars canning lids. I used the ball lids that came with these jars, and that I haven't done that for about 2 years. Well, guess what? We had one that didn't seal. So, ball failure. So, definitely going to stick with my 4jars, and this has already gone into the fridge. I've already put that into the fridge, so we're making breakfast right now, so we're going to use this. And I am going to show you guys what it looks like while we're doing the jam. I'm going to open it and spread it on bread, but I just want to show you guys that even after 2 years, the ball is still having failures. So let me know in the comment section if you guys are still having problems with ball jar lids. And I'm going to give you my affiliate link for 4jars because they are still my favorite canning lids. Here they are right here. So you can go to forjars.com and put in the code NANA10, capital N-A-N-A 10, and get 10% off of the canning lids. Still my favorites, still no failures. But the first time, you guys, in 2 years that I used ball, get a failure. And it was just water bath canning, luckily. But all the rest of them are fine. They all sealed. They're all good. So, just that one. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to open it and show it to you. And taste the strawberry jam and let you know what it tastes like. Okay, so I took the ring off and look at that. Wow. Okay. So, yeah. I don't know what is wrong with this. Okay. So here is the jam. Let me get a knife. Okay, so I am going to take a little bit of this jam. My husband's serving breakfast. I'm just going to spread a little bit on here. So I've already tasted it, you guys, but look at this. Perfect jam. Tastes like strawberries. It is, look, it's spreadable. There we go. Doing this with one hand. Look at that. Perfect strawberry jam. So this was the low sugar jam. It came out so perfect. Doesn't taste like a lot of sugar. Perfect texture. Now let me put a little bit more on there. And it is amazing. Just tastes like fresh picked strawberries from the field. That's what it tastes like. So good. Okay, so thanks for watching, you guys. Just wanted to show you that little lid failure from ball, since I haven't gotten one of those in quite a while. Okay, fresh strawberry jam. Thanks for watching. Comment the word of the day: lid failure. And let me know if you guys have had any lid failures from ball. There we go. Looks like a perfectly good lid. There's nothing wrong with it. But it did fail. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon.
Got one with jelly and one without.